As an environmentally friendly company, we have invested in a renewable energy source. We choose to implement solar energy because it's an emission-free and clean source of power. This will help us use less gas energy, therefore our carbon footprint will be much less. Right now, we are on the roof of our factory where we implemented our solar panels. In our case, we have a solar power that covers 4 months of our electricity needs in 1 year. This will make a huge positive impact for the environment. With these panels, we will get the full benefit of the sun and we will generate our own power. It's our vision to transform our 45-year-old printing and packaging company into a new sustainable role model for the entire printing and packaging industry. We have been offering our customers climate-neutral packaging solutions for more than 10 years, and we are Turkey's first printing company to do this. And now we are getting close to becoming a 100% carbon-neutral company vision. Switching to solar power was always on our list, and it is one of the best decisions that we have ever made for our company. We will continue to invest in eco-friendly technologies whenever possible.